Very good afternoon, dear students. The last class discussed about what is the definition of the matrix, what are the types of matrix. I think everyone understanding the last class. Today we are discussing about algebra of matrices. Today discussing about algebra of matrices. In algebra of matrices, the first one is equality of two matrices. First one is equality of two matrices. What is the condition for the equality of two matrices? Means both matrices have same order. Both matrices have same order. Then corresponding elements are equal. Then it is called equality of two matrices. What is the condition for the equality of two matrices? Means two matrices are said to be equal. Two matrices are said to be equal if both matrices have same order, corresponding elements are equal. Corresponding elements are equal is nothing but first matrix, first position is equal to second matrix, first position. After here, both matrices have same order, corresponding elements are equal. Means what is the first position element here? W is equal to second matrix. What is the first position element here? 1. W is equal to 1. Next. First matrix second position x is equal to 2. Next y is equal to 3. Next z is equal to 4. It is called equality of two matrices. Two matrices are said to be equal if both matrices have same order and corresponding elements are equal. Then it is called a equality of two matrices. Everyone understood? What is the definition of the equality of two matrices? Means two matrices are said to be equal. Both matrices having same order, corresponding elements are equal. First position is equal to first position element, second position element is equal to second position, second row first position element is equal to first position, second row second element is equal to second element. This is nothing but a equality of two matrices. Second one is addition of two matrices or subtraction of two matrices. Addition of two matrices or subtraction of two matrices. Both are same definition. If A matrices and B matrices have same order, then sum of A plus B also same order. So here A and B both matrices have same order, then sum of A plus B also same order. What is the condition for the addition of two matrices? Means A matrix and B matrix have same order, then A plus B is equal to get same order by adding the corresponding elements in matrix A and B. It is called addition of two matrices. Observe here, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5. This order of matrix is 2 by 2, and B is equal to 4, 5, 6, 8. Then sum of A plus B is equal to substitute A matrix and B matrix. Now, what is the condition for the addition of two matrices? Means by adding the corresponding elements in matrix A and B. By adding the corresponding elements means first position plus first position, 1 plus 4, 2 plus 5. Second row first position plus first position, second row second position plus second. 5 plus 8 is equal to 5, 7, 9, 30. This is the condition for the addition of two matrices. Observe here, A matrix and B matrix having same order. By adding the corresponding elements, it is called a addition of two matrices or subtraction of two matrices. Subtraction of two matrices nothing but by subtracting the corresponding elements in matrix A and B. So how to find A minus B means substitute A matrix and B matrix by subtracting the corresponding first position element first position, second element minus second element, first second row first element minus first element, second row second element minus 6, minus 3, minus 3. This is a condition for the addition of two matrices. First one is equality of two matrices, nothing but if two matrices are said to be equal, both matrices having same order, then corresponding elements are equal. It is called equality of two matrices. Second one is addition of two matrices or subtract of two matrices, nothing but if A matrices or B matrices having same order, then A plus B also we get the same order. It is obtained by adding the corresponding elements A and B. By adding the corresponding elements in matrix A and B means first position element plus first position, second element plus second, like that we can add the corresponding element. This is the condition for the addition of two matrices. Third one is scalar multiplication. Third one is scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication is nothing but if A is a matrix, if A is a matrix. Third one is scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication of matrix or scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication of matrix is nothing but if A is a matrix, if A is a matrix, then K is any scalar, K is any scalar, then Ka is a, means K into substitute A matrix 1, 2, 3, 5, we get the another matrix. Observe here, what is the condition for the scalar multiplication of matrix? If A is a matrix and K is any scalar. Any scalar is nothing but any real number or constant number. Then Ka is another matrix which is multiplying each element of A. Multiplying each element of A by K means each element multiply with K. So each element multiply with K means 1 into K is 1K, 2 into K is 2K, 3 into K is 3K, 5 into K is 5K. We get the another matrix. If A is a matrix, K is any scalar, then Ka is we get the another matrix which is obtained by each element of A, means each element of A by K, means each element multiplied with K. It is called scalar multiplication of matrix. For example, if capital A is equal to 1, 6, 5, 8, then find 2A. Here 2 is nothing but scalar element. 2 is nothing but scalar element. How to find the 2A means 2 into substitute A matrix 1, 6, 5, 2, 5, 8, not 5, 2, 5, 8. What is the condition for the scalar multiplication of matrix? Is each element multiply by or each element multiply with 2. So we get the values 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 6 is 12, 2 into 5 is 10, so 2 into 8 is 16. This is the condition for the scalar multiplication of matrix. Everyone understood? What is the condition for the scalar matrix? Means if A is a one matrix, K is only one scalar element, we get the K is another matrix. How to find the scalar matrix means each element product with the scalar element is K. This is the condition for the scalar multiplication of matrices. Next, fourth one is transpose of matrix. So next one is transpose of matrix. Fourth one is transpose of matrix. Transpose of matrix. What is the definition for the transpose of matrix? Nothing but a matrix is obtained by interchanging rows and columns. Interchanging rows and columns, it is called transpose of matrix. It is denoted by A power T or A power dash. A power T is nothing but transpose of a matrix, or A power dash is nothing but transpose of matrix. What is the definition of the transpose of matrix? Nothing but a matrix is obtained by interchanging rows and columns. It is called transpose of the matrix. It is denoted by a power of t or a power dash. For example, capital A is equal to 1, 2, 5, 6. So now find the transpose of a matrix means interchanging rows and columns, means row replaced with column, columns replaced with the row. That's why first row replaced with the first column is first horizontal element can be written as first vertically. Second row replaced with the second column. So this is called a transpose of matrix. A matrix is obtained by interchanging rows and columns. It is called transpose of matrix. Next, properties of transpose of matrix. So what are the properties to be there in the transpose of matrix means first property is A transpose O transpose is equal to A. First property is A transpose is equal to O transpose is equal to A. One given matrix we can do the two times of transpose of matrix, we get the given matrix only. That's why A transpose O transpose is equal to A. Next, second property is A plus B O transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose, and A minus B O transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. What is the first property? A transpose O transpose is equal to A. Second property is A plus B O transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. And one more property is A minus O transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Third one, very important property is AB O transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Third property is AB O transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. Fourth property is KA O transpose is equal to K into A transpose. Here K is nothing but scalar element. These are properties for the transpose of the matrix. Everyone understood what is the condition for the transpose of matrix? Nothing but a matrix is obtained by interchanging rows and columns. It is called transpose of matrix. It is denoted by A power T or A power dash. Next, fifth definition is symmetric matrix. Fifth one is symmetric matrix. Fifth one is symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. What is the definition for the symmetric matrix? Nothing but a square matrix is said to be a square matrix said to be a square matrix. Capital A is called a symmetric matrix if condition is A transpose is equal to A transpose is equal to A is there, it is called symmetric matrix. A square matrix capital A is called symmetric matrix if A transpose is equal to A, then it is called symmetric matrix. Here, according to definition of the symmetric, what is the condition? A power T means transpose of A matrix is equal to A. So, for example, I am taking square matrix. Capital A is equal to 1, 2, 4. So, I am taking transpose of A matrix nothing but interchanging rows and column. First one replaced with the first column. Second one replaced with the second column. We get the same matrix. 1, 2, 2, 5 is nothing but A. So, A transpose of A matrix is equal to A. We get that. Then it is called symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is called symmetric matrix if A transpose is equal to A, then it is called symmetric matrix. Next one, sixth one is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Here also if a square matrix A is called skew symmetric matrix if A transpose is equal to minus A, then it is called skew symmetric matrix. A transpose is equal to only A is that, then it is called symmetric matrix. A transpose is equal to minus A is that, then it is called skew symmetric matrix. What is the definition for the skew symmetric matrix? Means a square matrix A is called skew symmetric matrix if A transpose is equal to minus A, then it is called skew symmetric matrix. For example, capital A is equal to 0 to minus to 0, 0 to minus to 0. So transpose of A matrix, first row replace with first column, second row replace with the second column. I am taking minus outside, get the matrix is 0 to minus to 0. Then 0 to minus to 0 is nothing but given A matrix. So A transpose is equal to minus A. Then it is called skew symmetric matrix. These are the algebra of matrices. Everyone understood? Yesterday class discussing about the what is the definition of matrices and types of matrices. Today class discussing about the algebra of matrices. I think everyone understand the today class. So tomorrow class we are discussing about the first exercise problems. Okay, thank you everyone.